Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some amazing natural remedies for glowing, brighter skin right from your kitchen. These simple ingredients can help lighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and give you that radiant glow we all love. Let's get started. First up, lemon and honey. Lemon contains vitamin C, which brightens your skin, while honey moisturizes and works as a natural antioxidant. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water for a glowing, refreshed look. Next, we have turmeric and milk. Turmeric has natural whitening properties, and milk contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of milk to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your face, let it dry for about 15 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. You'll notice an instant brightness. Finally, let's talk about aloe vera. It's known for soothing and brightening the skin. You can use fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant or a store-bought product. Apply it to your face for 10 minutes, and it will not only lighten dark spots, but also hydrate your skin. Those were my top 3 homemade skin whitening remedies that you can easily try at home. They're all natural, simple to make, and effective. Remember to patch test before using them on your face and stay consistent for the best results. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more skincare tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time.